Welcome back to CTV News Channel. I'm Jennifer Burke. Britney Spears' conservatorship hearing today will determine if the pop star's conservatorship continues or not. And to talk more about this, I want to bring in Lisa MacCarley. She's a lawyer who specializes in conservatorships, which is an incredibly difficult word to say, Lisa, and I've had to say it a lot lately. But listen, appreciate you joining us from Glendale, California. So this is a pivotal and key day for Ms. Spears. Tell us why.
All right, so finally, there's been a petition filed by Jamie Spears asking that the conservatorship be terminated. So we were all very surprised when Jamie filed this petition, but he's actually saying that my daughter no longer needs to be in a conservatorship and her affairs managed by him and the court supervising Jamie Spears. So at 1:30 today, the court will go in session, and we are expecting that Jamie Spears' petition to terminate the conservatorship will be granted.
Why did it take so long, though? Because we knew this was an ugly fight between daughter and father. So what's his end game here? Is this some kind of preemptive strike? I mean, the conservatorship was coming to an end anyway, wasn't it?
Well, that really was not certain, because until Britney was finally able to be represented by an attorney of her own choice, there was no action taken by any party in this case, not by mother, not by father, and not even by Britney, to officially terminate the conservatorship. Up until the time that Matt Rosengart was finally allowed to represent Britney, the theory was that Britney needed a conservatorship. We just needed different conservators. So actually, this has only been pending since July, and it's very exciting.
Right, but is his application altruistic, or is he trying to, you know, there's some talk that he's looking for some kind of settlement, or he's looking to avoid sanctions for not being a great conservator, as it were? What's the end game, Lisa?
Right, exactly. No, I don't think that there is any way that he would be able, Jamie Spears, would be able to escape liability if the records support a finding of breach of fiduciary duty. I'm more interested in what was going on with the lawyers, of course. How was it that Britney did not have representation of her own choice? But for Jamie Spears, to be honest, I think that he saw the writing on the wall, and that this was going to be a very expensive, protracted litigation, and he had no allies left.
Right.
Now that Robin Greenhill was out of the case, and the other managers were out of the case. So I think Jamie and his attorneys finally realized it was time to pack it in, and now they're going to face the music, probably literally, with respect to what they've done over the last 13 years.
Wow. Okay, 30 seconds left then. What do you anticipate happening today?
Well, what the crowd is looking for, and it is a very exciting day, we're looking for Judge Brenda Penny to finally say, I am granting the petition to terminate this conservatorship forthwith, meaning immediately or as soon as she signs the court order. I think there's going to be celebrations in the streets of Los Angeles and other major cities throughout the world, because this was an unjust conservatorship. So investigations will go on for years, but it will be a happy, good day for Britney Spears. Let's hope so.
We will continue to watch it unfold. Lisa MacCarley, so appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.